Hey there, welcome back. Hope you're doing great today, because what we're talking about might completely change how you feel every morning. Do you ever wake up feeling even more tired than when you went to bed? It's like your body rested, but your mind ran a marathon all night. Most people think the problem is not sleeping enough, but often it's that your body never actually switched into real rest mode. A few months ago, I had the same issue. No matter how early I went to bed, I woke up heavy, groggy, and foggy. I tried fixing my diet, cutting caffeine, and taking supplements. Nothing worked. Until I came across something weirdly simple used by sleep therapists. A 1-minute movement that resets your nervous system before sleep. It's called the parasympathetic switch. Basically, it's a way to tell your body, "You're safe now, you can rest." Here's how it works. Before you sleep, lie on your back and put one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 and exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. Do this for about a minute. 5 to 7 breaths. Make sure your belly rises more than your chest. That simple difference tells your brain to relax. What's happening here is more scientific than it sounds. That deep, slow breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, which activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the part that handles deep recovery and hormonal balance while you sleep. It lowers your heart rate, calms inflammation, and improves how your body repairs itself overnight. People who practice this nightly report waking up lighter, clearer, and more focused. It's not magic, it's biology. Your body can't recharge if it thinks it's still in danger. So when you teach it to let go before bed, it finally does what sleep is supposed to do: heal you. Try it tonight, just 1 minute, and tomorrow morning might feel completely different. Thanks for watching, my friend. If this helped you in any way, drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And I've got more simple science-backed tricks coming soon. Sleep well. See you in the next one.